Hello and welcome to our channel IFCG, where we make learning fun and easy. Today we'll be delving into the fascinating world of words, and star of the show is emerge. So stick around as we guide you through the process. But before we dive into our word of the day, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Now, let's dive into today's word, emerge. This dynamic verb means to come forth, to become visible, or to rise out of a situation. Imagine a butterfly emerging from its cocoon, a beautiful transformation. Now, let's explore some synonyms for emerge. First, surface. Second, arise. Third, appear. Fourth, materialize. And fifth, develop. To help you understand emerge better, here are 5 easy sentences. Number 1. After the storm, the sun will emerge, bringing a rainbow. Number 2. The talented singer will emerge as the winner of the competition. Number 3. The shy turtle chose to emerge from its shell and explore. Number 4. Opportunities often emerge when you least expect them. Number 5. With hard work, success will surely emerge in your endeavors. 2 famous idioms related to the word emerge. First, out of the woodwork. This idiom is used to describe people or things that appear or emerge unexpectedly, often in large numbers or from unexpected places. It implies that individuals or things were hidden or unnoticed until a particular moment. Example: after the news of the treasure spread, treasure hunters came out of the woodwork eager to join the search. The cream will always emerge to the top, meaning that the best or most talented will eventually be recognized or successful. It's a story time, friends. Now let's delve into a short story to help you understand emerge better. In a bustling town in India lived 2 friends, Raj and Deep. They were always excited about their studies. But one day, a big challenge emerged. Their school announced a surprise test, and both were anxious about how they would emerge successful. Raj, a creative thinker, suggested, "Let's discuss and study together." Deep, "Maybe we can emerge as the best in the class." So they gathered their books and began studying. But as the challenges emerged in their lessons, they found themselves stuck on a tricky math problem. Deep said, "This problem seems tough. How will we emerge victorious?" Raj, with a smile, replied, "Remember, challenges help us emerge stronger. Let's brainstorm and find a solution together." They discussed the problem and shared ideas, and soon enough, a solution emerged. Excitement filled the air as they realized they could conquer any challenge that emerged in their studies. On the day of the surprise test, both Raj and Deep performed exceptionally well. Their hard work and collaboration had helped them emerge successful. The moral of the story is that challenges in life may emerge, but with determination, teamwork, and a positive attitude, you can always emerge victorious. As the bell rang, Raj said, "See Deep, together we can emerge through anything." Deep nodded. "You're right, Raj. Teamwork helps us emerge as winners." And that's a wrap for today's word, emerge. I hope you enjoyed learning this word and its significance in our language. Remember, one word at a time, and you're on your way to becoming a proficient communicator. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more new words. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy learning. Bye-bye.